Hey Buffet. Hey Rakesh.
Hey Rakesh.
Hey Rakesh.
Hey Junjun.
Hey Buffet.
Hey Rakesh.
Grandpa, why were they calling you by all these names?
That's because they make mistakes in trading which I don't. Like see our neighbor, Lalji for example. He always likes to buy as much stock with all the cash he has, thinking he will make maximum profit. But when the market drops, his wife yells at him,
The market is dropping, do something.
here he has no other option than selling since as he has no money to buy.
So how come you don't make such a mistake?
Because I trade with Dozen Diamonds app. The app makes sure that I always have cash to buy more, no matter how low the market goes. And when it rises, I sell. Just like Junjunwala, I buy low and sell high. Always 100%. The app makes me the Rakesh Junjunwala among my friends.
To resolve all such similar issues in retail trading, use the Dozen Diamonds app. For healthy and happy investing.